Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, November 11th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Welcome back, everyone. First of all, I'd just like to say, for those of you who have supported me over on my new channel, Hide and Seek, I am so grateful. We finally hit the 1,000 subscribers, and we're super excited over there. My kids are thrilled. Thank you so much for your time and support that you have devoted to our family. We appreciate you guys so much. This week has gone a little bit off course, just like last week for me. I think that I was in the headspace for weight loss in October because I was really gonna get down to the nitty-gritty right before the holidays hit, and since Halloween I just really haven't been feeling it at all. I am having a really hard time with the nuts and seeds like I was last week, and I didn't lose as much water weight as I was hoping to lose, mostly because of that. I know those pumpkin seeds are probably kicking my tuchus. I don't know if they're kicking me out of ketosis, but I wonder, because I just feeling munchies all the time and lots of anxiety, and it's been a rough week. But I have muddled through and kept as keto as I possibly can. At least in my mind, I'm keto. I mean, I may or may not have kicked myself, but I don't know that I did because I don't test. So I'm not going to stress over it. I'm just trying to keep on keeping on. My main goal through the holiday season is just to maintain in the 190s and not see that 200 again, and be able to hit it hard again in January, because that's my plan for right now. So I hope that that works for you guys. I hope you don't mind if that's what I'm going to be doing for the next while, but I am trying to do that. So I am going to try this week eating more fat and less nuts, try and just see if that will kind of curb it a little bit and see if I can get myself back into the groove. And then of course Thanksgiving's coming up, and you know, that's all she wrote for that. I don't know, I'm going to eat what I want on that day, but not carbs. I'm going to be eating keto treats again, and let's see, I bought a chocolate silk pie from a local company called Keeping It Keto Bundt Cakes, and I'm excited about that. And I think my sister purchased a coconut cream one, so we're gonna like share slivers of each other's with each other. I'm going to be making a sugar-free cranberry sauce, maybe a pumpkin cheesecake, definitely some pumpkin yams with pecan toppings. So if you saw my videos last year for Thanksgiving, it's going to be really similar to that, plus the pies that I purchased. So that's my plan for Thanksgiving. I am planning to enjoy all the fat. That is my plan on Thanksgiving. So I'm trying not to enjoy too much fat before then. Let me know in the comments below what your plans for Thanksgiving are. What are you going to do? Are you sticking to strict keto through the holidays? Are you going to be a little bit more lenient? Are you planning to do lazy keto like me and not track? What are you thinking that you're going to try? What's your favorite keto recipe that you're going to use for Thanksgiving? And just remember, Thanksgiving is a time for family, not just food. I know food is central to Thanksgiving. Out of all the holidays, I think it's the most central, and so I get that. But remember that we're also there to just spend time with our families and enjoy that family time together, and don't forget that. Okay, so let's just get to the weigh-in. So as you can see, I weighed in today as 192 pounds. That is a 4.5 pound loss this week, which is actually quite significant. But knowing what I know that it's not kind of where I should have been, and I know that I didn't do the best that I could have done this week. I know that I could have done better, and I know that I could have had a bigger loss. I was disappointed to see that I was still a half an inch up on every measurement on my body, except my waist was up again another half inch. I don't know how my waist is getting bigger, and it explains why I haven't been able to wear any of my pants that I bought recently this week. So when I did the Women's World photo shoot, I was in a size 10, but now I am squeezing into my 12s, and it's really kind of frustrating. So I don't know if I've kicked myself and I'm actually putting on fat, or if my cells are just filled with water because they're ready for a whoosh, or if I'm bloated because I'm eating the nuts and my body doesn't like it. I don't know, but this is not normal for me, so it's kind of stressing me out. So my family and I are filming our 1,000 subscribers celebration for Hide and Seek right now. The kids are anxious to get going on it, so I have to say goodbye to you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to check out our 1,000 subscriber video over on Hide and Seek. It should be up tomorrow morning. I'm super excited about it. It's going to be awesome. And thank you so much for all of your support and the time that you devote to watching my channel channel and taking the time to comment and like and subscribe. You guys are the best subscribers on the internet, and I am so grateful for all of you. You keep me going, you keep me motivated, you keep me accountable, you keep me learning so that I can teach you more, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.